Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amongst towering mountains, there lived a young boy named Ethan. Ethan was known for his kind heart, but he often struggled with self-doubt and lacked the confidence to pursue his dreams. One sunny morning, as Ethan was wandering through the village, he stumbled upon an old man sitting under a tree. The man had a radiant smile and a glimmer of wisdom in his eyes. Sensing Ethan's inner turmoil, the old man beckoned him to come closer. "Dear boy," the old man said gently, "I sense that you carry the weight of uncertainty within you. But let me share a story with you. Close your eyes and imagine the most beautiful garden you've ever seen, lush with vibrant flowers, towering trees, and the enchanting melodies of birds." Ethan closed his eyes and envisioned the breathtaking garden. He could almost smell the fragrant flowers and feel the gentle breeze on his face. Slightly curious, he opened his eyes to ask the old man about the story. To his astonishment, though, the old man had disappeared, and Ethan found himself standing in the midst of the very garden he had imagined. Overwhelmed with both wonder and confusion, Ethan decided to explore the garden. As he wandered further, he noticed a sparkling fountain at the center, with 7 small stones surrounding it. Curiosity took hold of him, and he reached out to touch the nearest stone. Instantly, Ethan was engulfed in a magical surge of energy. Each stone he touched filled him with newfound strength, determination, and resilience. The first stone gave him the courage to face his fears, the second ignited the fire to pursue his dreams, and so on. Empowered by this newfound confidence, Ethan eagerly embarked on his journey to conquer his self-doubt. He enrolled in art classes, discovered his passion for painting, and started showcasing his work at local exhibitions. People marveled at his talent and praised his unique perspective. But Ethan's journey didn't stop there. The 6th stone endowed him with perseverance, which pushed him to take risks and explore uncharted territories. With every setback he faced, Ethan learned valuable lessons and emerged stronger than before. Finally, he approached the 7th and final stone, which granted him the gift of gratitude. Ethan realized that his journey was not solely about achieving greatness, but about appreciating the beauty and wonder in every step of the process. Years passed, and Ethan became a renowned artist, inspiring others with his captivating artwork and uplifting stories. The once self-doubting boy had transformed into a beacon of motivation, spreading positivity and empowering countless souls. His story became a reminder to all that greatness lies within each and every one of us. We possess the power to overcome obstacles, defy expectations, and embrace our true potential. Ethan's tale continues to serve as a beacon of hope, encouraging everyone to embrace their dreams, transform their lives, and create a world filled with endless possibilities.